Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify is currently set to offline. So first of all, just open up the Spotify application in your mobile. So if you are facing this issue that your Spotify is currently set to offline, so how you can fix it? So if it's showing this pop-up even if your internet is working, so first of all, what you have to do is you have to check your Wi-Fi is working properly, so you can check YouTube or other apps to assure that your Wi-Fi is working. If it's working, so the problem is in Spotify. You just have to update your Spotify app from App Store or Play Store. Let's say I'm going for Play Store here, and in the search bar just simply search for this Spotify, and if there is any update just make sure to update it. After updating, just click on your profile picture in the top left corner, and here you will see the option settings and privacy. Click on it, and here you will see that option playback, the third option. Tap on it, and here you will find the option offline. You just have to toggle this off. So when you toggle off, your offline mode will be turned off. If you turn this on, your offline mode will be turned on. As so of course you have to toggle this off, and then you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.